your family members. This is Krupa Shukla welcomes you. Now it's time to go for a new unit. Very interesting, very beautiful and funny unit this is. The name of the unit is unit number 4, Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. So it is about a person who has habit of forgetting everything. Means if he even forget his address, his home address. So how would be the situation if you forget your name, if you forget your address, and if you forget all the information about you? That would be funny, confusing, as well as very much dangerous situation. So here we have Bipin Chaudhary, the main character of the unit, and that character has the habit of forgetting everything. Let's see what happened with Bipin Chaudhary when he himself forget about certain episode of his life. So you are requested to take out the book and please open unit number 4, that is Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. We are here on page number 57. Okay, before we start this unit, there is a section before you read section that will be discussed earlier. That will be discussed first. Before you read, do you have a good memory? Has your memory ever played any tricks on you? Means here this question is asked to you that do you have a good memory, or is there any episode in your life, or is there any event in your life where you just forget everything, or your memory has tricked on you? Do you have any kind of incident? Forgetfulness often puts you in a tight spot. That is true. If we forget, say generally what happens after some age, people have this habit of forgetting phone numbers, forgetting address, forgetting the names of other people. So that situation just put us in very tight spot. But forgetting a part of your life completely may drive you crazy. But suppose you are 15 years old and suddenly you forget what did you do in your 6th standard. The complete whole 1 year information. You forget that 6th standard a year information suddenly. So what would happen in that situation? So the special event, the special episode or special incident of your life, if that episode, incident or event is forgotten, so what would happen? The same thing happened here in the life of Bipin Chaudhary. Drives you crazy means that will make you mad. In this story, Bipin Babu goes nearly crazy because he cannot recollect his stay at Ranchi. So here we have one main character. Bipin Chaudhary. It's not Bipin, it's Bipin. It's Bipin Chaudhary, or it is known as Bipin Babu. And what was the problem with Bipin Babu was he just goes crazy because he cannot recollect. Recollect means remember. Secondly, we have crazy. Crazy means mad. Something like insane. And why Bipin Babu just became crazy? Because he cannot recollect the memory of his stay at Ranchi. So The reason for his laziness is his forgetfulness habit. He cannot recollect his space at Ranchi. Means once he had been there in Ranchi, but he had forgotten that incident. Means what did he do at Ranchi? What did he where did he visit and to whom he visit and exactly what was the purpose of visiting Ranchi? That all the information related Ranchi he has forgotten, and that happened because of his habit of forgetfulness. He has never been to Ranchi, he insists. He was telling that he has never been in Ranchi. Means he hadn't visited Ranchi at all. And some of the person was telling him that he was there in Ranchi in some year, before some year. Though there are many witnesses to the contrary, but that witnesses were there. Means many people were telling that Bipin Chaudhary was there in Ranchi in certain year. What is the suspense all about? Now what is the suspense? Because on one hand, Bipin Chaudhary was telling that he had never been in Ranchi. He had never visited Ranchi. On the other hand, another people were telling that Bipin Chaudhary was there in Ranchi. So who was telling truth and who was telling lie? That is the suspense of the story. Let's start this. This story has 3 parts. This story has 4 parts. So this story is divided into 4 parts. Let's start with part number 1. Every Monday on his way back from work, Bipin Chaudhary would drop in at Kalicharan's in New Market to buy books. So that is the daily habit of Bipin Chaudhary. What was the habit of Bipin Chaudhary? So he just, when he came back from the office, at that time he had a habit of buying some new books from Kalicharan's from New Market, and that New Market was situated in Kalicharan. So if it is asked from this line that what was the daily routine of Bipin Babu, so we can say after coming from or after coming back from the work, Bipin Babu dropped in at Kalicharan and he went to buy some new books from the New Market. Crime stories, ghost stories and thrillers. This kind of things or books he has liked. So, which books he liked? Crime stories, ghost stories and thrillers. This kind of books he liked. So, which kind of books did Bipin Chaudhary like? So, answer is crime stories, ghost stories, thrillers. This kind of books he liked. You please note down this all information. After we'll go further. had to buy at least 5 at a time to last him through the week. It means he read 5 books in the week. So he bought 5 books. He lived alone, was not a good mixture, and few friends, and didn't like spending time in ideal chair. So he was, these are the characteristics of Bipin Babu. First we can say, he was a book lover. He lived alone. He was not a good mixture. It means he couldn't mix with other people. He had a few friends. And he didn't like spending time in idle chat. Okay, so these are the characteristics of Bipin Babu. You please note down this student. After that I will write those new words. Please note down. Here we get one word, that is ideal chat. That is unnecessary routine conversation. So that thing Bipin Babu didn't like, to chat unnecessarily. Today at Kalicharan's, Bipin Babu had the feeling that someone was observing him from the close quarters. He turned round and found himself looking at a round-faced, meek-looking man who now broke into a smile. So now today what happened, Bipin Babu was there in Kalicharan's new market, was buying some books. So at that time he had a strange feeling that somebody was chasing him. When somebody was looking him, or we can say somebody was observing him. And when he just turned around, he found a man, we can say a meek looking man who now broke into smile. And that man was smiling to Bipin Babu. Meek means quiet and humble. So man was there and that man was chasing Bipin Babu, and when Bipin Babu turned himself at that time, that man was smiling toward him. I don't suppose you recognize me. That Bipin Babu asked him. Have we met before? Asked Bipin Babu. The man looked greatly surprised. We met every day for a whole week. I arranged for a car to take you to the Hudru Falls. So when Bipin Babu asked that man that had they ever met each other or had they recognized him at that time, that man became surprised and he told that he had means they had met every day whole week. Means that man was not a strange person, but he was telling that man was a friend and Bipin Babu had spent whole week with that man. And beside this, that man told that he had arranged a car to take him, means to take Bipin Babu to the Hudru Falls. This information that man was giving to Bipin Babu in 1958. So he was talking about 1958. In Ranchi, my name is Parimal Ghosh. So that person name was Parimal Ghosh, and that person was telling that when in 1958 Bipin Babu visited Ranchi, at that time that Parimal Ghosh arranged a taxi for Bipin Babu, and Bipin Babu just spent whole week with that Parimal Ghosh. Ranchi. Now Bipin Babu realized that it was not he, but this man who was making a mistake. Till then Bipin Babu was confused and he was thinking that man was a strange person. But now after listening this all information, Bipin Babu was convinced and he told that man that he had never been in Ranchi, and it was that Parimal Ghosh's mistake that Bipin Babu didn't know exactly who that person was. Bipin Babu had never been to Ranchi. He had been at the point of going several times but never made it. He smiled and said, "Do you know who I am?" So Bipin Babu had never visited Ranchi. So he thought to visit Ranchi, but that idea wasn't applicable, and he had never visited Ranchi. So that's why he again and again asking that man if that person knew who that Bipin Babu was. The man raised his eyebrows, bit his tongue and said, "Do I know you? Who doesn't know Bipin Chaudhary?" So that man told, "Of course I know you, and there is no person who don't know Bipin Chaudhary." Means everybody knew you. You are Bipin Chaudhary. Bipin Babu now turned towards the bookshelves and said, "Still you are making mistake. One often does. I have never been to Ranchi." Now Bipin Babu was confused and he was telling that, "Still Parimal Ghosh, you are making mistake. I have never visited Ranchi. I don't know you, and I don't know anything about that whole week, and I don't know anything about the visit of Ranchi. You are making mistake again." The man now laughed aloud, and after listening this, that man started laughing. Here we have that idea that who is telling lie. Means Bipin Babu was telling that he had never been in Ranchi. On the other hand, that person was telling that in 1958 Bipin Babu had spent whole week with him. So what was the secret of this? What are you saying, Mr. Chaudhary? You had a fall in Hudru and cut your right knee. See, that person had this much information about Bipin Babu. He was telling that Bipin Babu was there in Ranchi, and he was there in Hudru, and he fell from there, and he had cut in his right knee. Means it was an accident on Hudru bridge, and Bipin Babu got that cut or injury on his right knee. I brought you iodine. I had fixed up a car for you to go to Netherhat the next day, and that Parimal Ghosh had bought an iodine for Bipin Babu and he arranged a car for him, but you couldn't because of the pain in the knee. Can't you recall anything? Someone else you know was also in Ranchi at that time. So these all hints he was giving to Bipin Babu, but Bipin Babu was not able to recollect any memory related Ranchi. He also told that except Parimal Ghosh, means except himself, there was another person in Ranchi, and that person was Mr. Dinesh Mukherjee. You stayed in a bungalow, you said you didn't like hotel food and would prefer to have your meal cooked by a bawarchi. And he just told that there was Mr. Dinesh Mukherjee. You stayed in his bungalow, and why did you stay there? Because you told that you didn't like to stay in hotel, and you didn't like to eat hotel food, and you only like to eat food made by bawarchi. Mr. Mukherjee stayed with his sister. You had a big argument about the moon landing. Remember? I'll tell you more. You always carried a bag with your books in it on your sightseeing trips. Am I right or not? So this all information that Parimal Ghosh is giving to Bipin Babu, and that was true. And that's why Bipin Babu was so confused that on the one hand he had never visited Ranchi, on the other hand these all habits and this Mukherjee and this staying in bungalow and the argument with sister about moon landing and about this carrying books in the bag. This all information is somehow at other hand right. So Bipin Babu was now confused, and at last that Parimal Ghosh was asking, am I right or not? What to do with this situation? So Bipin Babu didn't give any answer. Bipin Babu spoke quietly, his eyes still on the books. He didn't reply, and his eyes were on the books. Which month in 58 are you talking about? So he asked, means Bipin Babu asked Hatman. It was time of 1915. So at which month exactly you are talking about? The man said October. No sir, said Bipin Babu. I spent puja in 58 with a friend in Kanpur. You are making a mistake. Good day. So Bipin Babu, when Bipin Babu asked him the exact month of 1958 visiting Ranchi, at that time Parimal Ghosh told that it was October, and that time Bipin Babu told, no sir, it was your mistake. In 1958 October, I arranged puja here and I was busy in puja in a friend in Kanpur. So it was not a question of visiting Ranchi in 1958. After telling this, Bipin Babu wished him good day. But the man didn't go, nor did he stop talking. But that man was not that much easy. He just started, or he just continued talking about Ranchi, Bipin Babu and all. So here we have this quality of that man. He was quiet and he was humble. So he was not forcing Bipin Babu, but he was telling something which may be true, may not be true. Very strange. One evening I had tea with you in a veranda of your bungalow. You spoke about your family. You said you had no children and that you had lost your wife 10 years ago. Your only brother had died insane, which is why you didn't want to visit the mental hospital in Ranchi. So this is all information that Parimal Ghosh had about Bipin Babu, and that was true. And that he told that information he had got from Bipin Babu when he was in Ranchi in 1958. So one evening he told that Bipin Babu shed a tree in veranda, and Bipin Babu told him about no children and you had lost your wife. Means Bipin Babu had lost his wife, that was he had no children, and he also lost his brother, and that brother was died insane, and that's why you didn't want to visit the mental hospital in Ranchi. That thing that Parimal Ghosh had, and Parimal Ghosh was telling that Bipin Babu himself told this thing to him. When Bipin Babu had paid for the books and was leaving the shop, the man was still looking at him in utter disbelief. information which was really true. Bipin Babu was not convinced by that Parimal Ghosh, and he was about to leave that bookstall, and at that time the man was still looking at him in utter disbelief, and that man was still there, and he himself was surprised because he couldn't believe that Bipin Babu didn't realize that all the things are true. So here we got one word, that is utter disbelief. And the meaning of that is complete surprise. That man was completely surprised with the reaction of Bipin Babu. Here we have ended part 1. Now it's time to give you homework, and what you have to do in your homework is, here comprehension check is given. There are 3 questions in this comprehension check. You have to write the answers of that. So your homework is, see on page number 61. 3 question answers are there. You have to write those questions and answers. We will meet again in next video with the revelation of the secret, means how and why Bipin Babu didn't know this information. Exactly who is this Parimal Ghosh and Mr. Mukherjee was. Okay, take care, bye.